Have you ever bought an expensive serum only to find out that it actually did nothing? You might be applying it in the wrong order. There's actually real science behind why layering your skincare correctly can make or break your glow. Today, we're talking about the viral technique called moisture sandwiching. And trust me, it's the one sandwich your skin will thank you for. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, where we break down skincare myths, try trendy products, keep things honest, cheeky, and glow obsessed. If you love learning why your skin behaves the way it does, then hit the subscribe button below, grab your toners, because we're about to layer like pros. So what exactly is moisture sandwiching? It's the idea of locking in hydration between layers. So it's kind of like letting water trap inside your skin instead of letting it evaporate. So think of your skin like a sponge. So if it's dry, it repels water. But if you slightly dampen it first, it drinks up everything. The moisture sandwich method basically layer hydration, treatment, and moisture seal so that the active ingredient basically stay where they need to work. When your skin surface is hydrated, the water content helps deliver the serum deeper into your epidermis. So serums like hyaluronic acid, they like to pull moisture from the air into your skin. But if you don't seal it with moisturizer, that moisture can actually evaporate out, leaving you drier than before. So we actually call that transepidermal water loss. So the sandwich prevents that escape. So layer 1, on damp skin, layer it with your first hydrating toner or mist. So layer 2, you can use a serum like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, or peptide-based serum. So layer 3 is when you use your moisturizer or oil to lock it in. Here's where most people mess up. They put thick product first. So if you just slap on heavy creams and then you apply serums, there's no way the serum can go past the barrier that you just created. So it's trying to like water a plant with a plastic sheets on top. So rule of thumb, from thinnest to thickest. So watery toner first, then serum, then moisturizer or oil, and then followed by sunscreen. Okay, these are the common questions. Question 1, can you overlayer? Yes, too many serums or toner can actually backfire, especially in dry air. Another question is, should oily skin people moisture sandwich? Definitely, just use lighter layer so you can go for like a gel moisturizer instead of using cream. Another question, at night or at morning? So both. So for morning, it gives that glow under makeup, and at night, it's for recovery. Do you need fancy products? Nope, it's actually the technique that matters, so even simple toners works. So that's the real reason your serum orders matters. So skincare isn't about how many steps you have, it's about how smart you layer them in. So if you want to try the exact product that I use, I have placed the link on the description below. The same one I've been using every morning. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more cheeky skincare science, and comment below on your favorite layering combo. And once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.